morning. Today topic is combustion. We know that what is combustion. What is fuel? Anyone?
It is a plant which produces heat on burning is known as fuel.
And what is combustion?
Combustion, the process of burning of a combustible substance in the presence of air is called combustion.
Yes, thank you. What is fuel? Fuel is an object which catches fire, and this process is known as combustion. The combustion process is done when a fuel mixed with oxygen, they give us heat and light. I will show you some examples. This is fuel. All things which catch fire is known as fuel. If a matchstick burn, when this paper is burned, you see this heat and light can produce. Some smoke also form. When this fire is completely burned, then CO2, carbon dioxide is formed. When this fuel is not burned perfectly, then carbon monoxide is produced. Okay? There are three types of combustible substance. It means that there is the three types of fuel. First is solid, liquid and gas. In solid, you know that coal. Second is gas, LPG gas. And third is kerosene, that is liquid. Okay? Combustion. The chemical process in which a substance reacts with the oxygen to produce it. When the combustion takes place, fuel burn in the presence of oxygen, then it gives us heat and light. The combustion process is done with oxygen in presence. You see that this is a candle. You burn it. When you close up bucket or glass with this candle, you see that for few seconds this candle is burned. After that, they can off. Why? Because inside the glass, the carbon dioxide gas can produce, and that gas not supposed to burn. So this fire can stop. Okay? This is the example you see in your home. This is what is ignition temperature? Anyone? Yeah.
The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire is known as combustion.
Yes, thank you. The minimum temperature at which a fuel can catch fire. हिंदी में बोलते हैं वह न्यूनतम, हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ इग्निशन टेम्परेचर, वह न्यूनतम टेम्परेचर जिसमें कोई भी फ्यूल आग को कैच करता है. ठीक है ना? आप देखें कि इसमें एक मैच स्टिक से मैं ये देखो, यू सी एक थोड़ा सा स्टार्ट किए थे, ये जल गया, मतलब थोड़े से इसमें ये बर्न कर जाता है. ठीक है? ओके. बट एट सेम टाइम इफ I burn this, you see this is not burn easily. Why? Because the temperature at which this leaves is not burned, that is maximum for after that. So this cannot burn. In this you see some amount of heat it can produce. You see other thing. In this you see they burn after few seconds, but in paper within a second they burn. Okay? But when you burn this cow dung cake, you see how much time they take. They not burn. Still they not burn because the temperature of this cow dung is more. After few minutes, few seconds, they start to burn. It means that the temperature is maximum for this cow dung. So when you choose any fuel, you see that the ignition temperature of that fuel is minimum or maximum? Minimum. Because when you give a fire to a fuel, they can easily catch fire and they give the heat and light. You see the minimum temperature at which the substance catches fire and burns is called ignition temperature. Okay? You see the petrol, alcohol, LPG and CNG. Okay? Condition necessary for combustion. One is air. Which air? Oxygen. Second is heat. The minimum temperature. I suppose in this winter season you see the humidity is more. You give more temperature. Okay. How do you control the fire? First of all, you use water and CO2. Okay. By using the water, okay, you control the fire. Okay. When you burn any fuel, they are connect with oxygen, so they are burned easily. When you fix or cover any object with any other substance, after that CO2 can produce. For that CO2, the fire is totally finished. And second method is by applying CO2 gas. This is what is this? Fire extinguisher. Which gas contains this fire extinguisher? CO2. What is CO2? If you don't know CO2, which gas come out? CO2. This CO2, when you burn the candle in happy birthday, then you blow, then totally finish. Why? This CO2 come. So only CO2 is used for stop the fire. Okay? That is the three type of combustion. First is rapid, second is spontaneous, and third is explosion. What is rapid combustion? The combustion in which a substance burns rapidly and produce the heat and light. You see, this is rapid. You burn this, catch easily, give it light easily. This is called rapid. Okay? After that, spontaneous. This combustion in which a substance burns spontaneously and produce the heat without the help of external. This is the combustion in which there is no need to give heat. This type of heat light. They can connect with oxygen and gives heat and light. Like that, phosphorus. This is which type of phosphorus this is? This is red phosphorus. Another phosphorus is white phosphorus. When white phosphorus come in connect with oxygen, they give light and heat. Okay, the magician use white phosphorus. Okay, and third is explosion. This is a when you use this explosion in crackers, give quick heat and light with sound. Okay. This is flame. You see, what is this? This is candle. Outermost part connect maximum oxygen. So the outermost is more hot and inner is coldest. So when you this is candle, okay? The full, when the heat contains full of oxygen, they give us yellow color, blue color, okay? When they have less oxygen, they give us fully yellow here. Anyone can stop candle, they not so keep in this way. They always put the finger in inside type because the inside type is cold part and outer is moist. When I put this type, hot is too much. When I put this in this way, I touch in the inside part, that is this part. Okay, so only I put the candle very easily. Outermost is very hottest part and inner part is the least part. What is flame? This is flame. This is the zone of combustion of a combustible substance that occurs during the burning of flames, like a kerosene and wax. Okay. In the outer zone, complete combustion of the fuel takes place, and the color of the flame of blue and the hottest part of the flame. It is non-luminous part. In the middle, the partial combustion of the fuel takes place, and the color of the flame is the yellow, and the inner is the unburned. This is not burned fully. So that is the unburned parts of the fuels, and the color of the black is the least unknown. Fully burned, they produce CO2. Not completely burned, they produce carbon monoxide. Which gas is more dangerous? Carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide? Why carbon monoxide is more dangerous? because when they combine with blood, they clot the blood and they not allow to flow in the body. So only carbon monoxide is more dangerous. This is the type of fuel. There is the three types: solid, liquid, gas. In solid, you use wood. This is wood. Coal, charcoal, all things. This all in this is solid or liquid? Solid. In liquid, kerosene, petrol and gas. You see some liquid are there. Okay, this is liquid. And gas, CNG, LPG, biogas. What is the full form of LPG? Anyone say that which gas is used for CNG for smell purpose?
मिथाइल mercaptan.
What is the formula? C2H5SH. Okay, thank you. First of all, I will say you what is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is the minimum temperature at which fuel catch fire. वह सबसे कम टेम्परेचर जिसमें कोई भी फ्यूल आग कैच कर लेता है. At same time, you see one another definition in this chapter. What is calorific value? In ignition temperature, the ignition temperature of fuel is minimum. But what is calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced to conversion of 1 kg of fuel. If you take candle, you take 1 kg of candle and burn it. The amount to collect at the time of burning of 1 kg of fuel, it is known as calorific value, and the unit is kilojoule per kg. You see some amount. Okay, if you burn hydrogen gas, you say 1,50,000 heat, too much. Okay, this amount of the heat can produce. So when you select any fuel, then what you say? The ignition temperature is minimum or maximum? Minimum. And what you say for calorific value? Maximum. Okay? You see, characteristic of good fuel. Easily available. You can take, buy, sell anywhere. Okay? Second is cheap in rate. The cost is not high. You not take this candle for lakh crore rupees. So no anyone take this candle for fuel. Easy to store and transport. It can take care from any other city to in my city easily. Burn to moderate rate. It means that ignition temperature is not more. Produce large amount of heat. It means that calorific value is high. Does not leave behind any additional, not give any bad thing like as carbon monoxide like thing. Does not cause any pollution. So the Indian government use which type? CNG gas. You see, okay? And this something effect when you burn a fuel. Sometimes they are not burned totally. They say some give us some ash, a smoke. You see, fuel like coal, petrol release unburnt particle which cause the respective disease like asthma. Okay? You see in the Delhi, capital of India, too much person are suffer from this asthma because the pollution is too much. Okay? After Deepavali Chhath, you see for few days the government closed the school office for this pollution. Incomplete combustion of fuel release carbon monoxide, which is very poisonous gas which can cause death. You see, when any bike start, some gases come out. You not take easily. They are too much bad smell at that time. Burning most of the pure carbon dioxide gas causes to rise of temperature and atmosphere. This is called global warming. What is global warming? The temperature increased by carbon dioxide. You say, I burn this thing, carbon dioxide release. Same time, lakh crore people burn some amount of carbon dioxide release. Some goes to atmosphere. After that, the temperature cover one layer to this earth. and they increase the temperature of earth. That is known as global warming. Okay. Burning of the coal and petroleum release the oxide of the sulfur, nitrogen gas dissolve the rainwater called acid rain. First, before some decades, you see the rain which are come in the season of Sawan is very good. But nowadays that is very bad because the rain which come at the Sawan, you know the August month monsoon is very bad because at that time the rainwater contains sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide gas which comes from the company. They cause acid rain, and after the acid rain when fall the skin, they causes the skin cancer. So when you select any fuel, you take some caution. First, what is take the ignition temperature minimum. The fuel which contains ignition temperature minimum, you take that type of fuel. Second is they produce high calorific value. They gives high temperature. Third is they not produce any pollution. They can easily available and the rate is very cheap. Okay. Anyone? Any question? Okay. Answer. Which is not combustible? The substance which not get any fire, not produce any heat and light. Which one? You see, correct or wrong? Correct. Next question. What is ignition temperature?
The lowest
Anyone? B. Okay. See. Very good. Is not an inflammable substance. Inflammable substances that can easily catch fire easily. LPG can easily. Alcohol also. This is alcohol type. That is petroleum. Combustible substances are known as. Very good.
See.
The paper cup does not burn while boiling water in it.
Water prevents the cup from reaching its ignition temperature.
Check. Very good. See. What is global warming? Last topic. I teach you. Very good. Say the question. What is the product obtained when incomplete combustion process will methane react with oxygen? What you see? Incomplete. You see one in this word. Incomplete. Carbon monoxide and water. Yeah, carbon monoxide and nitrogen. What is methane gas? React with? Okay, second question. Which is the example of flow reaction? Spontaneous, catch easily. Which one? Fast. Big. Say. Under complete combustion, what you say? Under complete combustion, the reactant burn with gas to produce limited product. Which gas is used? Last question. Which among the following statements is true about spontaneous combustion? It means that they catch fire easily. Say. D. Internal oxidation takes place. Okay. Third topic question is for pump fire control. Okay. There is a three question. You see. Highest which part? You not used to extinguish the fire. And last, what is the following not necessary to extinguish the fire?
Diluting the fuel.
Thank you. Quiz for flame. Okay, there is the two topic quiz. Sufficient color. Yellow. When you not get totally oxygen, then they show this color. Hottest part of candle is a outermost layer.
Complete combustion.
The condition necessary for combustion include the combustible substance. Which one? Last. Which one? Which one is correct? Say. Kerosene vaporize easily. Okay. Charcoal. Choose anyone. Three. Which one? B. Option is last. And pure chlorothiol. See the question carefully. Only one question. What is not characteristic of ideal field?
It produces mechanical carbon dioxide gas.
Thank you. This is some video for this chapter.
37, the German passenger airship Hindenburg, powered by hydrogen, caught fire and was destroyed in a matter of seconds.
Which type of this explosive?
Lightning may have caused the hydrogen to spark, which led to the massive explosion. Or the aluminium powder coating the airship may have caught fire and caused the explosion. The Hindenburg blast was the result of combustion. Why do some substances catch fire, while others do not catch fire? There are three key factors that together decide whether a substance will catch fire. Look at each situation and try to identify the factor. A steel spoon, when placed in a candle flame, does not catch fire. but a sheet of paper does. Steel does not burn easily. It is non-combustible. Paper is combustible. Different substances have different ignition temperatures. Burning red phosphorus is easier than burning pine wood. Red phosphorus has a lower ignition temperature. Pure sodium metal is stored in kerosene. When it is exposed to the air, it can catch fire. Oxygen is required for combustion. Sodium kept in kerosene cannot catch fire. It's not in contact with oxygen. For combustion to occur, three elements are required:
Oxygen,
a combustible substance or a fuel, a source of heat to get the fuel to ignition temperature, and oxygen. Click each type of combustion. Rapid combustion is characterized by the release of large amounts of light and heat. For example, combustion of LPG. In spontaneous combustion, the fuel suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any external stimulus. An example is phosphorus burning in air at room temperature. An explosion is a sudden combustion reaction which generates heat, light, and sound and large quantities of gas. During the dry season, forest fires are very common. These fires also have devastating effects on the environment. Air pollutants. To be able to limit a fire, we must understand how fires start and how they can be extinguished. A fire starts when a fuel is brought to its ignition temperature by an external source, which could be lightning, a spark, or igniting mechanism. Once the fuel is ignited, the fire starts. The heat generated by combustion ignites the surrounding fuel and the fire grows and spreads as a chain reaction. This cycle of fuel ignition and combustion can be stopped only if one of the vital factors for combustion is eliminated. In order to extinguish a fire, you need to remove the combustible substance.
Okay, let's repeat. Combustion. There is three things used: fuel, heat, and oxygen. They produce light and heat. Where is the three type of combustible substance? Wood, solid, liquid, gas. In solid wood, liquid, petrol, kerosene, and gas, LPG gas. What is combustion? Chemical process in which a fuel can catch fire and give light and heat. For heat, for light, they combine with oxygen, they produce heat. For burning, oxygen is useful and carbon is not supposed to burn. What is ignition temperature? The minimum temperature at which fuel catch fire is known as ignition temperature. And what is calorific value? the maximum temperature at which the maximum temperature give when the fuel catch fire for burning 1 kg of fuel, that is known as calorific value. How do you control fire? By using water and fire extinguisher. Thank you.